Hello guys and welcome to this side hustle. This is going to be a quick tutorial on how to make a trade through the Robinhood Trading app. Before we begin, please consider subscribing as this is a new and growing channel that deals with finance and side hustles, ways to make money, stocks, investing, etc. So as you log into your Robinhood account, it defaults you to your overall account balance. There is really no icon that shows you where to trade, so it is a little tricky. If you're purchasing stocks that you currently do not have, you click on the magnifying glass in the top right. Next, you can browse potential stocks. You can use their stock screener. You can see what's trending, or you can search the stock ticker symbol. Click on the symbol itself. If you click the plus sign, it's more for adding it to a watch list. So you click on the symbol, then it has an overview of the stock. At the bottom right, you're going to click the word trade. There are two options here. The top one is for trading options, which is a whole separate thing. It's more complex and requires more information. So if you're considering trading options, you'd click that. For everyone else who's doing a regular order, you want to click buy. So once you're on the order page, the top right is where you're going to click, and there's a drop-down menu that has a couple different options. You can trade in dollar amounts, so you can do fractional shares, or you can do whole shares. In addition, this is where you're going to put a limit or a market order, stop losses, etc. So once you figure out what you want to do, you simply plug in the information. So the shares, you make sure that you have enough money in your account, and then you hit review, and then you hit confirm. So when you want to sell a stock that you currently have in Robinhood, you simply click on the stock. Then you're going to go down to trade. Now there's a new option because you already have purchased the stocks, and it's going to say sell. Simply click sell, and the same thing as purchasing, top right has your drop down menu, and you can set stop losses, or you can sell at a limit order. You could do that in whole shares or fractional shares, aka dollar amounts. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Give a big thumbs up. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. See you next time.